Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting continuity or the lowest resistance range. Continuity gives an audible confirmation, so it speeds testing. Once set, plug the black probe into COM and the red probe into the V/Omega/continuity jack. This ensures correct circuitry and safety. Next, touch both probes together to confirm a beep or near zero reading. This verifies probe integrity and meter calibration. If there's no beep, change batteries or leads before proceeding, because a faulty meter gives false results. Once done with calibration, power down and discharge stored energy unless you need to check live continuity. Testing live can damage the meter. Make secure contact. Probe both sides of the joint, pad to pad, or wire end to end. Use probe tips or back of fingernail for steady pressure. Hold probes still, read the meter. An audible beep or reading near 0 ohms means a solid connection. A high resistance, or OL, indicates a break or bad solder. Make systematic checks along the path. Finally, confirm suspected faults by isolating segments and retesting each section. This narrows the exact failure point. Make sure to inspect solder joints for cracks, connectors for corrosion, and cable strain reliefs for internal breaks. If you get inconsistent or non-repeatable readings, swap probe leads and test a known good conductor to rule out meter or lead faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if the meter gives no beep and known good checks fail, replace the battery and retest before disassembling more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.